Understanding Off-Key, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, off-key. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about English idioms, this video will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of what off-key means and how to use it in everyday conversation. Let's start with the literal meaning of off-key. Originally, this term comes from music. When a singer or musical instrument is not in tune or not singing the correct notes, they are said to be off-key. This means they are not hitting the right notes according to the scale or melody. This literal sense is easy to understand if you've ever listened to a song where the music didn't sound quite right. Moving on to the more interesting part, the figurative use of off-key. In everyday English, when we say something is off-key, we mean that it is not quite right, appropriate, or normal. It's used to describe situations, behaviors, or even opinions that don't align with what is expected or considered standard. This phrase is quite versatile and can be used in various contexts. To help you grasp this idiom better, let's look at some examples. 1. His joke was a bit off-key, considering the seriousness of the meeting. Here, off-key suggests that the joke was inappropriate for the situation. 2. She sang the national anthem at the game, but her performance was slightly off-key. In this case, we're going back to the literal musical sense. 3. His comments about the project were off-key. He seemed to have misunderstood the main objective. Here, off-key indicates that his comments were not aligned with the correct understanding. And that's a wrap on off-key. Remember, whether it's a musical performance or a metaphorical use, being off-key indicates a deviation from what is standard, expected, or appropriate. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel more comfortable using this phrase in English. Keep practicing, and don't forget to tune in for more English language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.